working with a postpartum mom, and I did something that apparently other providers told her not to do. I recommended that she use an abdominal binder, a support garment. Now, can you imagine that? A provider telling you to not use a garment that offers you support and relief? And although the provider may have meant well, here's some of the issues I have with it. The provider told the patient that using an abdominal binder would result in them having weaker core long term because it was bracing, the core would not learn how to kick back in, which could cause them to have back pain or at least increase their risk of back pain, and ultimately would lead to pelvic floor dysfunction. What? No. So that information itself, although well intended, not helpful. Now, how you use an abdominal binder, that is key because it can be a garment that you use for support in the midst of your core not kicking back in, or at least your core that's just extremely weak, because that's what we expect in the postpartum phase. So if you're noticing that your core is very weak and you're having a hard time moving, a support garment can help. If you're having pain, guess what? It can help. And also if you're noticing that, hey, I need a little bit of assistance with mobility because I just don't feel as strong, sometimes an abdominal binder can be really helpful. So this is something that I actually support the use of in addition to other support garments for my postpartum mamas, because the goal is to try to get you moving gradually, not to worry about the snapback, but I want you to move gradually. And an abdominal binder can help offer you that support so that way you feel more comfortable and confident and you're moving with less pain.